Hi, this is Shay with Trucks of Sales here today, looking at this sleeper we installed on this Peterbilt 579. So we actually have some of these sleepers for sale, quite a few of them, and this person had a 60-inch and we went ahead and put a 70-inch on there. So you can see it had a little jackknife here. So we do all types of bodywork, painting as well, and we have several parts for Peterbilt 579s and Peterbilts in general. We have 579 hoods in stock right now, and a whole bunch of other parts as well. We also got these longer fairings. So this customer has chosen to go back out on the road for a little while and then come back for a paint job after that. And we also went ahead and put a longer sliding fifth wheel as well, a little different fifth wheel. So these are just some of the services that we provide here, but we do have a full body shop and can handle any type of repairs, even cab replacement. So even if this truck needed a complete new cab, we could take care of that as well. And we actually have a 579 cab in stock, and there's got dump bodies in stock, of course. A couple other sleepers. There's that hood right there. So definitely give us a call if you need any body work done on your truck. We're currently open to the public for that, and as well as lift axle installation. So we can definitely take care of any collision repairs or chassis and frame modifications. This is Shay with Trucks of Sales. Thanks for viewing. Please visit our website at www.trucksofsales for more information. Thank you.